right, kids. Notebooks away. Quiz time.
Oh, hello there, Hubert. Is everything okay?
Only number 2 pencils. Got it? Okay. Begin.
Oh, we'll talk after the quiz, okay? Slow down. You're all talking at once. What is it? Oh, I see. If you take 4 from that one and divide them equally, that sounds like a solution to the problem, Reginald. Good thinking.
Mr. Doodle!
Yes?
The honest and observant Trixie has reason to believe that Fluttershy is cheating. Yes, I saw her talking to those birds.
Fluttershy. Cheating is a serious offense.
I swear I wasn't cheating. I was whispering to the birds because they were having an argument over sticks for their nests and...
An argument? Sounds made up.
No. See, Hubert thought that Reginald was stealing from his, but I told him, surely you can tell the difference between oak and poplar sticks. Right, sweetie? They don't know anything about math, but I studied really hard for this test.
Sure you did.
Hey, I know my stuff.
So prove it then.
Go on. Make my day.
She's correct.
Hello? The great and powerful Trixie needs a tutor. Which one of you knows trigonometry?